In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar events directly from Gmail. This process is incredibly handy for keeping track of your schedule without having to jump between different applications. So grab a cup of coffee, cozy up, and let's dive into it. The first thing you want to do is open your Gmail account where you'll find the email containing the details of the event you wish to add to your calendar. Once you have that email open, you should notice a right-hand panel. This panel is home to several Google services, including Google Calendar. What you want to do next is click on the Google Calendar icon in this panel. After you click on the calendar icon, the Google Calendar will open on your screen. It's crucial now to pick the correct date for your event. You'll find a date drop down at the top of the Google Calendar interface. Here, scroll through to find and select the date when your event is scheduled. Now that you've selected the date for your event, it's time to pick a time slot. You do this by clicking on the calendar at the time you want the event to start. When you click on the desired time slot, a form will pop up, allowing you to create your event. What you might notice at this point is that a title for your event might already be populated. This title is often pulled from the subject line of the email you initially opened, and this helps you save time. Of course, you're free to modify this title if you wish. The details of your event, like its location and any description, will still need to be added manually. This is where you'll need to go back to your email. Take a moment to copy these essential details from the email content and transfer them into the appropriate fields in your event form on Google Calendar. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and ensured everything is accurate, your final step is to save the event. To do this, simply hit the Save button at the bottom of the event form. Once you do this, your event will be added to your Google Calendar and you'll be all set. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to move event information from Gmail directly into Google Calendar. Integrating these Google services not only saves you time, but also ensures that you won't miss any important appointments, meetings, or events. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. Happy scheduling, everyone!